With 14 years of industrial and professional experience, Ningbo Pneumatic Technical Expert Company Limited has earned trust, recognition, and appreciation from over 1.4 million customers throughout the world. With annual production output surpassing 250 million units, we have become a major manufacturer of pneumatic fillings in the world. NBPT is located in Changhe Town Industrial Zone, Cixi City, on the south bank of Hangzhou Bay Bridge. Established in 2006, NBPT facility covers an area of 11,648 square meters, with very modern opened in 2019 production and office facility, exceeding 9,648 square meters. We launched dozens of new products and patents in the field of pneumatic